Today we're looking at Sloan from Paula Young. She's a brand new style in the color SF1228 Honey.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Beth's Hair. I'm happy that you could join me today. So I have got a brand new wig from Paula Young to show you. I am currently wearing Kate, and I do have a review on Kate, so I'm going to just link it up here so that you guys can check it out for yourself if you haven't seen it yet. But I'm so excited, I got a brand new style. This one is Sloan in the color SF1228 number 6. She is a VersaFiber heat friendly. Let's get to unboxing. There she is in the box. Sorry, there's a lot of paper and stuff here, you guys. That's what she looks like. So she is the rooted version of Honey. And my Kate is just the regular non-rooted. Oh, look at her. So just like a nice long bob. It's not going to look that long on me because remember, I have those cheeks. So Sloan has a regular cap with that soft front, closed soft ear tabs with the bendy metal stay, an extended nape, the Velcro closures, and she's got the stretchy open wefted cap, as you can see. But she's really pretty. I'm going to give her a shake and put her on, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put up Sloan's picture right here. I'll put her measurements over here so that we can compare. Sloan is the VersaFiber. VersaFiber from Paula Young, as most of you know, is the heat friendly up to 350 degrees. So we could curl her. We could use a flat iron on her. With the VersaFibers, they're nice because they're already rooted, and I really like that. So I'm going to show you the part here. So I believe that the way this is open, you can part it in any direction. I'm always a left parter, so I just kind of tend to do that. So I'm sorry if traditionally they come center. I don't typically do that. I don't really like a center part on me. But for permatease, I'm feeling a little bit in here, but it's really underneath and close. So I'm probably going to have to really get in there and dig in there to get her the way that I want her.
Let's spritz her a little bit with water and then get in there with your fingers and really mess her up, digging in there to activate that permatease. I'll use a wide tooth comb to get her going in the direction that I want her. Okay, so I am feeling like she's got a little bit of box hair here. There's like a kink. I don't know if you can see that. So I am going to use my hot brush just to try to get that kink out. Now normally if I wasn't on camera, I would probably just maybe give her a quick soak in cold water and then hang her upside down overnight. But for the essence of time, we're going to go ahead and do the hot brush. So I'm just kind of spritzing it a little bit so I can kind of steam it. So I will show you that right now. This is my hot brush. It is a Conair, and I'll link it below for you. So I'm just using my hot brush with the round brush attachment. kind of straightening, kind of curling under. There was a kink at the end that I'm trying to get rid of. And then also the bangs, I was attempting to give them just a slight curl under. And I did pre-spritz this with water so that it's more of a steam and not direct heat onto the hair. So just take your time with this. Make sure that you keep your brush moving. You don't want to keep it in one place too long.
So Sloan is a pretty low density. It feels pretty darn lightweight here. I do think that the hot brush kind of just helped to get that boxiness, but again, with time you could just spritz it with water, comb it, hang it upside down. I just have hooks back there and that's what I do. The bangs I did because I like to sort of side sweep. That took a little bit of work for me to get them over, but not too bad. I love with the VersaFibers, they feel really nice. It feels like your human hair, and they're not too shiny. I did spray a little bit of my BETH'S Beautiful Brunette just simply because the hair was still a little bit damp and I didn't want it to look too shiny in the video here. But let's go ahead and do our 360 so we can look at this pretty girl from all sides. So she is a really pretty, just a long, straight style. I really like it, just the classic long bob, and I love the fibers. Again, we all know that honey is my favorite color. Honey is what you would consider a blonde. It's a little bit of a dark blonde on top, and then it graduates to a brunette underneath. And then, of course, the VersaFiber has the number 6 brunette root. I paid $62.99 for her on a sale. And I think right now she is on sale in the catalog for $89.99. But always check those sales. If you haven't signed up for the email, do that now because then you'll get emailed codes all the time. Or check out the Paula Young Facebook group, because they like to share codes over there. That is a great group of people over there, and everybody is out there helping each other. It's wonderful. All right, so I think we need to do some styles. Let's get going.
Let's start with a small headband. Ooh, that's cute. And a little wider headband. Oh, I like that look. And you guys know I like my half up. Use your claw clip, grab a weft when you do that. That's so cute. That's like an everyday work style for me. I love it. All right, so we're gonna do a low pony bun. Wrap your pony holder around, and then don't pull it all the way through at the end. Then take the little hairs that are left over and kind of pull them around and mess up the bun a little bit. Tug on the bottom and pull out some tendrils at the front. I am just loving that look. That is a great work style. Now I'll do a little twist on the side. Just add a little extra hair as you're twisting it back. And then just secure with a little small claw clip. And we'll do the same on the other side. Twist it back. Secure with a claw clip. Isn't that cute? All right, so for this look, I'm going to do the messy top knot bun. So grab your hair, twist it around, and then twist it around itself and secure with a claw clip or bobby pins, or you could also use a pony holder. Mess it up, and look how cute that is. Another fun work style. Sunglasses go in super easy, cute on top. Glasses for work, for reading.
What do you guys think about Sloan? I think she's a really cute style. I'm really happy that Paula Young came out with this one. I really like it. It's just pretty simple, pretty straightforward, just your long bob. I really like it in the half little messy bun, and I'm probably gonna wear it to work tomorrow. Just like this, either that or I really liked that low bun too. I thought that turned out really cute. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the look at this new style Sloan from Paula Young. And thank you so much to all of my subscribers. I just cannot thank you all enough. You're wonderful, and I love all your comments, and I love to get on and comment back so that we can have a dialogue and continue to be friends, to lift each other up, to cheer each other on. So I hope that some of my styling ideas and my tips help you. And if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, you might want to do that. And don't forget to hit the notification bell too, so that you don't miss any new videos that I put out there. All right, thanks so much, you all. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.